Hello and welcome to this week's craft. This week we're going to be making a gnome bookmark. We're going to give you the red piece of paper for the hat, the white piece of paper for the face, and a colored dot for the nose. Then you're going to need scissors and some glue. First thing you're going to do is take a corner of the piece of paper, then fold it down like this. Crease it really well, and then after that, go ahead, take some scissors and cut off the excess. So now, go ahead and fold it on the crease, take the top bit of the piece of paper and fold it down to the bottom. Then make sure you crease it really well. Then go ahead and take either the left or right corner of the triangle and fold it in with your top triangle at the same point. You're going to want to do that with both ends of the triangle. Now that you have both ends folded, go ahead and try to fit them in the pocket that you have created, and make sure they're really well put in so that they don't get out. Now time to start on the face. So first thing you're going to do is take your glue and your nose and fit them in real quick just to get a sense of where to put them. Now that you have an idea of where to put them, go ahead and glue the top of the face, the part that they won't be seeing. Now glue the front and back of the nose so that one sticks to the hat and the other sticks to the face. Fit it into the hat. Make sure you smush it really well so it sticks really well. And there you go, you're done. You made your gnome bookmark.